Now you see this plant is coming from a place of being healthy to a place of getting sick. You can recognize that the disease that has attacked it is coming right from the ground, and you see now the new leaf that is being produced is very small. Now this plant is sick. You see, if you shake it, it is dropping its leaves, which shows that it is actually sick. This disease can be treated with powdered chemical. Now, if you find such a disease in your garden and you're not sure what chemicals to use to treat it, you can just take a branch to those who are selling these chemicals, and then they'll be able to direct you on the right medication to use. If it's a disease that is attacking the leaves, being spread by insects, you can spray Harvester XL and the plant will bounce back. But if the disease is coming right from the ground, then that will be beyond it. You won't be able to redeem the plant. That disease will be beyond you. It will mean you will just have to uproot the plant. If the disease is from the soil, just uproot the affected plant.